Hey fams, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. Today is going to be a thrifting day. So today I want to take you guys on a thrifting journey with me. Y'all know I love thrifting and majority of the furniture in my home are thrifted items. So I kind of wanted to do something different. I wanted to start this series and it's called Thrift This Look. And I'm going to be thrifting each room in a specific home. It doesn't have to be my home or anybody's home, just in general. If it's something that you are looking to try, I just want to show you how you can thrift a high-end home or high-end rooms using thrifting items. Now, we may not come as close as having the exact items, but we can come pretty darn close. Some items you can DIY, and I'm going to also explain how you can do that with certain items. So we are going to start off with Facebook Marketplace, because I do a lot of my thrifting there and they do have a lot of beautiful pieces. So today we're going to start off in the living room and we are going to head on to Facebook Marketplace, and I'm going to show you how you can thrift each look or each specific item, and DIYing them to achieve this particular look. So let's go ahead and get on into this video, and this should be fun. So you guys, this is the look that we are going to be thrifting. It's a full-on living room. And by the way, these are not my pictures. This is not my living room. I got this off of Pinterest. And all of the images that you're going to be seeing in this series is going to be coming from Pinterest. So I am going to show you guys how we can thrift this look and how we can also DIY certain pieces as well. So let's get into it. So the first piece that we're going to be thrifting is the couch, because it is the largest piece in the room. And of course we are looking for a white couch. Now this couch is $50, and I am going to show the prices of the thrifted pieces because I want you guys to see that you can have this beautiful living room on a budget. So this couch obviously needs help. It needs to be cleaned, it needs to be washed, steamed, all the things. So this is the thing, when you are looking for couches on Facebook Marketplace, make sure that if you are looking for fabric couches, that they are washable. You can take off the cushion covers and throw them in the wash. And if you are looking for white couches, it's definitely a plus because you can always bleach them. The next item in this living room is going to be the coffee table. You guys, this coffee table is so on point. This is the closest that I can honestly get to this coffee table, and I feel like it looks exactly alike except for like the side rails, but you could take the side rails off. You guys, this coffee table is $150. Normally a table like this will go for upwards to $700 to $1,500. And I found this one on Facebook Marketplace for $150, and I'm so in love with it, you guys. And that's the thing, is like when you thrift your pieces, it doesn't necessarily have to look the same or have the same finishes, because you can always go ahead and refinish it, put the coloring, paint, stain, whatever it is that you like, or you can choose to do something different, altogether. But that coffee table, you guys, was just a chef's kiss. It looks exactly like the picture and I am loving it. So the next item is going to be the bookshelf. Now here you see that they have it, the large bookshelf and both the two china cabinet pieces. They have them there for $300, and that's what always happens. Like you can get bulk things, but if you don't need the china cabinet, you can always negotiate. Facebook Marketplace, it's the place where you can negotiate for the exact price that you want. But here you see this bookshelf. It has the space, it is tall, it has the width, and you can add your decor pieces to it as well. And you can always negotiate it for a whole lot less than $300. You could probably negotiate it for a half or even way under $100. So that's the versatility about Facebook Marketplace is that you don't always have to take the bundles of items that they have. You can just choose the pieces that you want, and oftentimes the sellers will go ahead and oblige and give you a lower price for the item that you actually want. Now, the next piece is this beautiful ottoman, you guys. Oh my goodness, this ottoman is so gorgeous just as it is. All you really need to do is steam this ottoman. It is $50. This ottoman probably will go for about $1,200 on your regular retail websites. And excuse me, the noise in the background, you guys. Nyla is just, she's very loud today. And I have nowhere else in the house that I can go. So please excuse the noise. I am so sorry. But this ottoman is absolutely beautiful. I just love the details. I love the skirting. I love the pattern, and I love the fabric on it. So it's always a good idea to add some type of pattern into your decor, because especially if you want your home to feel cozy and warm, it's always a good idea to add patterns and different textiles and things like that into your space, because it helps your space to feel warm and cozy and unique, collected, curated as well. So I love this ottoman. It is absolutely gorgeous. Also, I found this other ottoman that if you don't want to go for that traditional style ottoman, you can also go for something like this, which you can, reupholster and into the brown fabric or whatever fabric you want, that's geared towards your color scheme in your home. So that's also something that you can do as well. So the next piece are the chairs. So I love traditional. Y'all know that I love traditional classic styles. And these chairs are super classic and traditional. I love these chairs because they are absolutely stunning. You can go ahead and reupholster them into the fabric of your choosing. I love the details on them. I love the fact that they have the cushion on the back of the chair, and also that the arms are also cushioned pieces as well. So you can definitely go ahead and change out the pattern or the fabric on these chairs and make it look exactly like the picture, or you can just add whatever pattern, whatever style, whatever. That's the thing, you don't have to do it exactly the same way. You can add your taste, your touch, your style. If you want to put floral, you can do floral. If you want to do stripes, you can do stripes. If you want to do solids, you can do solids. That again is the versatility of thrifting or shopping Facebook Marketplace, is that you can make it in whatever style you choose. So I found this beautiful brass chandelier, and I thought it was absolutely gorgeous. It doesn't match with the picture identically, but it has the same shape. It has the lighting, and it has that brassy color, and I just love it. For $100, you obviously can negotiate that price, but it is absolutely stunning. I also found this chandelier, which I thought was almost identical to the picture, and I just love it so much. And for the price that it is, you guys, this is absolutely gorgeous. It is given a little bit farmhouse, but with all of the pieces that you have and the textures and colors, you can fit that in and work it in. And it's okay to mix styles. There's nothing wrong with mixing styles. If that's what you want to do, it also makes it more for a curated space. So I always say the rule of thumb, in my opinion, is it's okay to mix metals. It's okay to mix styles. It's okay to mix patterns and textures, as long as they are within the same hues and the same color family. So I found this beautiful side table or end table, you guys, and it is $75. It is real mahogany, and it is a vintage table, and I absolutely love it. It is so gorgeous. You can negotiate the price, but for a real wood vintage table. I think $75 is actually a really good price, but I always negotiate, even if it's $10, you guys. I'm always after saving a buck. So you can definitely go ahead and negotiate. You could paint the base black and leave the top brown, or you could leave the entire thing brown, or you could paint the entire thing black. Again, it is up to you. It is your home. It's your space. It's your style. Make it what you want. I'm just kind of showing you what you can do by taking a high-end, style and thrifting it on your budget, whatever your budget is. Even if it's high end, you can still, get a higher end look than even what's in the picture. But I'm just trying to show you what you can do with a lower end budget and still achieve that high end look. Now, this beautiful artificial fiddle leaf fig tree, it's $50. And I know they can go for a lot more. So this is definitely, you guys, a find. I normally don't thrift like faux plants or anything like that. But listen, it is such a steal. It is such a find that for me, I'm like, I am definitely going to be thrifting some faux trees and faux plants because they are absolutely stunning. And for the price that you would get them in a regular retail store, I think that it's absolutely beautiful. It does look real. It looks like a real fig tree. And I love how full it is and how beautiful and green and lush it looks. So definitely, you guys, if you've never thrifted faux trees, you might want to start. So my next and final item will be this beautiful cow print for $25. Obviously, you don't have to use a cow print. You can use whatever graphic you want to use, whatever, art you want to use. You can use landscapes, you can use florals, you can use family photos. I mean, whatever you choose to use. Obviously, this is just for the video, but it's $25. And look how cute she is. She has like her little crown on her head, and she looks absolutely beautiful. So this is what the look is looking like, you guys. You can thrift your home. You can thrift each space in your home and save a lot of money. I mean, together with all of, everything added up together, you guys, we haven't even spent $1,000. And I just love to thrift my home and save money. And whatever you save, you can use it for other things. Obviously, you can build your home on high end and low end pieces. But the fact that you can save money while decorating your home with beautiful pieces. One, they don't make furniture the way they used to. So a lot of these furnitures, you guys, is absolutely gorgeous and strong and will last a test of time, or stand a test of time. They will last you forever. A lot of them will outlive us because they are super strong. So definitely, before you go ahead and purchase new furniture, definitely go ahead, check Facebook Marketplace, check your antique stores, your thrift stores, and see what you can get if you can get the look for less and thrift this look. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you and I love you too. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about this new series. I will see you guys next time. Bye.